Difference between the former government and this government. The difference is that the former government oppressed and suppressed our people on their land, and they didn't take their life. This government denied us the right of life even. They took our land, not only our land, they are taking our life. This one makes them different from the other country, from the former governments. The former government suppressed and oppressed us, but we are alive there. This government suppressed and oppressed us. Not only that, they grabbed our land and they are taking our life. Imagine, which is very painful and has never happened in any place. It is only we Ethiopians who are feeling this pain, while the other entire world are not.